This Tuono Factory looks similar, but it's a little different and possibly the best one I've seen yet. There are two things I would do differently. I'll share those things with you towards the end of this video. And of course, I'm going to turn on that Project SC1-R Titanium exhaust for you guys in just a sec. Let's get right into these upgrades. So, MotoBox fender eliminator kit with the LED, very bright LED plate light up on top. It's a pretty heavy duty kit. I believe these are the MotoBox stock LED turn signals that it comes with. This is one of those things that I would do differently. I would not use these. They look kind of cheap, very plastic. I would definitely go with like Rizoma, Leggera, maybe Vision. Any of the Rizoma external LED turn signals would go great with this. What else? Graves frame sliders. We like these because they kind of retain some of the design of the motorcycle. If you look closely, if I can control the camera, you see that? Good looking frame sliders. The only thing I don't love about these frame sliders is that they have this single mounting point. We've seen this type of design transfer some of the force to the frame and therefore damaging or compromising that frame area. We love the dual mounting points like the RNG, for example, that you've seen here on my channel. I'll probably link one of those videos here. Next thing that stands out, this dark smoke aftermarket windscreen. It's taller. You see that shape? Let me give you the cockpit view. It's pretty dark. Did you guys notice the black wheels? Those are the Aprilia RSV4 factory forged aluminum wheels. This is one of those things I would do very quickly if this was my bike. Much lighter. I'll post the weights either here in the video and or in the description below. Also a gloss finish carbon fiber fender. I'm not sure what brand that is, to be honest. Currently the bike has the stock rear fender. What else do we see? The black comfort gel seat. This is the Aprilia official accessory. I'll add the part number here or in the description below. The comfort gel black seat. I actually added this myself after the bike came in, just to give it that final touch. You know what else it has? See that? It's got the race map, which means that the front turn indicators are integrated into the headlight. Euro style. Awesome, awesome motorcycle. Now, why don't we turn this thing on for you guys before we take it on a quick onboard experience. Let's do it. Everyone agrees these Aprilias are some of the best sounding motorcycles. This bike currently has the stock mirrors. I would definitely do Rizoma Spy R 60 bar end mirrors. Whoever ends up buying this motorcycle, I'm sure you can convince me to throw in maybe a set of CRG bar ends or something. All right, now let's take this thing back to the shop. All right, let's do this. Join me while I take this bike back to the shop. There you go. There you go. I know that's what you guys want. The Aprilia Tuono Factory makes you feel like a superhero. And that's what comes to mind when I first jump on a bike like this,
What I mean is, you feel like you can do whatever you want on it because it's so easy to ride. The power delivery is so smooth, but it's so visceral at the same time with that Aprilia V4 1100cc, in this case 175 horsepower. Go ahead, young man. You know, it's not like a BMW S1000 that kind of feels like it's an incredible bike, but it almost feels like it rides itself. This bike does not feel that way, but it's so easy. All of the rider aids work so well. So some of you are watching this video because this particular bike is for sale and maybe you're considering it. Well, this is a video test ride for you guys. You can see that the quick shifter works like it should. Engine sounds and feels awesome. What a beautiful day. A bit windy, as you probably heard in the video. Beautiful day. Beautiful bike. Beautiful sound. This bike currently has 4,474 miles. It has had its first service. The next service is due at 6,000 or 6,200 miles. Now let's get some SC Project Aprilia V4 quick shifter onboard audio for you guys through a tunnel. Incredible. Racetrack DNA. Real race DNA in this machine.